Most people are using maybe a tenth of what it can actually do. Here is the other 90%. 12 features, complete beginner to genuine pro. We count down to number 1, the one that changes what you can build. Chapters are on for the whole video. Know the basics already? Jump straight to your level, beginner, power user, or pro. But do not skip the beginner tricks. Nobody finds these, and they are why some people's Claude runs circles around everyone else's. Number 12. The first thing almost everyone gets wrong. The model selector. Claude is not one brain, it is 4, each built for a different job. You pick which one shows up. Haiku. The fastest and cheapest. Simple task, done in an instant. Sonnet. Your everyday workhorse. Fast, balanced, carries most of your day. Opus. The heavy lifter, for work that needs to actually sit and think. Fable. The most capable model there is, built for the longest, hardest jobs you have got. The rule, forever. Quick and small, Haiku. Daily work, Sonnet. Hard or huge, step up to Opus or Fable. Match the model to the job, and everything you get back gets better. Number 11. Voice mode. Stop typing and just talk to it. Tap the mic and speak like you are talking to a person. It hears you, thinks, and talks straight back, completely hands-free. This is the one that changes when you use Claude. In the car, on a walk, doing the dishes. That is when your real questions show up, and now you can actually ask them out loud and get a real answer back. Most people never switch this on. Switch it on, and Claude goes everywhere you go. Number 10. Memory. Claude can actually remember you. Turn memory on, and it quietly keeps track of what matters between chats, your name, what you are working on, how you like your answers written. Every new conversation starts warm instead of cold and clueless. And you can feed it yourself. Paste in the background it should know, import your history, and it holds on to it. No more explaining who you are and what you do 10 times a day. You tell it once, and it remembers. Number 9. Projects. One home for everything on a topic. A project is a dedicated workspace. Drop in your files, your notes, your reference docs, and set the instructions one time. Now every single chat inside that project already knows the background before you type a word. Your client, your codebase, your book, your whole business. Instead of re-explaining the situation over and over, you open the project and get straight to the work. This is how organized people quietly run circles around everyone else. That is level 1, and you already know more than almost everyone. Now, level 2. Power user. This is where Claude stops just answering questions and starts actually doing the work for you. Number 8. Artifacts. Claude builds you a real, working thing. Ask for an app, a chart, a document, a web page, and it does not just describe it to you. It builds it live, in a panel right next to the chat, while you watch it appear. Then you say, make the button bigger, change the colors, add a column, and it updates in place instantly. A working calculator, a landing page, a dashboard, a polished document, all from one message in a few seconds. This is the feature that makes people actually gasp the first time they see it. Number 7. Gmail. Connect your inbox and hand off the email. Give Claude access to Gmail and just ask, catch me up on this thread. Draft a reply to my landlord. Find that invoice from last month. It reads the actual conversation and writes the response for you, in your voice. And here is the important part. It saves it as a draft. Nothing ever sends on its own. You read it, tweak a line, and hit send yourself. An hour of inbox, cleared in minutes, and you stay completely in control. Number 6. Calendar. Your schedule basically on autopilot. Connect your calendar, and then just talk to it like a real assistant. When am I actually free next week? Find me 90 minutes for deep work. Book a call with Sam on Thursday afternoon. It reads your whole week, finds the real gap, and drafts the event for you to confirm. You stop playing calendar Tetris in your head, and you stop the endless back and forth. You just say what you want and approve. Number 5. Skills. Teach Claude your job one time. A skill is a folder of instructions that Claude loads exactly when it needs them. Your brand voice, your report format, the precise steps you always follow to get something right. You build it one time, and from then on, Claude simply knows. Format this the way we always do it. Done. The same way, every single time, without you explaining it again. This is the real secret of power users. They stop repeating themselves. Forever. Level 3, Pro. Honestly, most people never make it this far. This is Claude working on its own, in the background, while you go and do something else entirely. Number 4, the Chrome extension. Claude, living inside your browser. Pin it, and Claude rides along on every page you open. It can see what you are looking at, and actually act on it. Summarize this long article. Fill out this form. Pull the key numbers off this dashboard. Compare what is in these 3 tabs. No copy-pasting, no switching windows, no dropping your train of thought. It works right where you already work, on whatever is in front of you. Number 3, Cowork and Dispatch. Not one Claude, a whole team. Dispatch hands a job to a background agent, and then another, and they all run at the exact same time. One goes off to research, one writes the draft, one checks the numbers, all in parallel while you keep working on something else. You stop waiting on a single chat to finish one thing at a time, and you start running an actual crew. This is the moment Claude stops being a tool and becomes a team that reports back to you. Number 2, scheduled tasks. Claude that shows up without you. Tell it once. Every morning at 7, scan the news in my industry, and send me only the 3 things that actually matter. Set it, and it just runs, on its own, forever. A morning brief, a weekly report, your Monday plan, already written and waiting before you even sit down. This is the whole difference between a tool you have to remember to open and an assistant that quietly works while you sleep. And number 1, Claude Code, the one that completely changes what you can build. This is Claude with its hands on your actual computer. It reads your files, it writes real, working code. It runs that code, sees what breaks, and fixes its own mistakes, over and over, in a loop, until the thing actually works. You describe the app you want in plain English, then you sit back and watch it get built, file by file, right in front of you. You do not need to be a developer anymore. You need an idea, and that is the entire shift in one feature. And that is exactly why it is number 1. One bonus, because you actually made it all the way here. Claude Design. Describe the look you want, and Claude designs it for you. A poster, a slide deck, a logo and a brand, a full web page, styled, laid out, and genuinely ready to use, not a rough sketch. Plain words in, finished design out. It is a quiet superpower that almost nobody has started using yet. And that is 90% of Claude. From complete beginner all the way to pro. Pick the one thing you did not know before and go actually use it today. The full step-by-step for every single one of these is waiting for you at ideasrepay.com.